we're out here in the shop today. Got a helpful little trick. John Deere, well, on our 9300, they use these plugs that you simply put a 1/2 inch ratchet in to take the plug out. Well, when they broach the holes for these plugs, they drill a round hole and then they shove a square broach in. Well, when that happens, it rolls material up in the bottom of the plug and it makes the space not very deep, and when you put your ratchet or impact in there, it doesn't go very deep and you end up twisting the plug out sometimes. So we realized that if you take a drill bit and you drill all 4 corners and you take a pick, you can pop that material out from when they broach the hole and get it about, maybe 1/8 of an inch deeper and get a better bite on it. So I'll show you how to do that. All you gotta do is take a small drill bit, go in the corner of your plug, drill about 1/8 inch deep, all 4 corners. Then dump the chips out and see what you're doing. Get back to the vise, take a good pick, pretty good size one like this one. Just simply go in there and pop that material out of the corners. Dump it out. Take your die grinder with a carbide burr bit like that one in it. Get the burrs out. Dump it out. And now you have a better fit and you're deeper in there, so you're not twisting your plugs out. These plugs are $10 a piece, and I mean, if it saves $10 and saves stripping one out, next time you have them out, go ahead and do it and make things a lot easier every service. Thank you for watching.